Hi everybody, kitchen with Seth. Say hi, Seth. Hey, and what are we doing today, Seth? Making deviled eggs. And you know what we're going to use? We're going to use some Prove It hydroxybutyrate bone broth, which is amazing. My girlfriend told me that I should be sharing some recipes with this stuff. And I think she's right. So here we go. Seth's drinking some kombucha because we love kombucha. Hey, Seth? So we're going to wing this. This is not planned to, it's pretty loosey-goosey. Anyway, so we're going to cut the eggs in half. We did these in the Instapot.
Then you squeeze the yellow part into the bowl.
Yes, that's right. Squeeze the yellow part into the bowl. It's kind of nice that he's here because I can go back and forth. So I'm going to grab a plate, Seth, done by a local artist in town. She made me plates. Her dad is the mayor of Canmore. And the mayor of Canmore's son grew up with my older son, Michael Watchter. Yeah.
Wait, where's that?
No, that's Claire's dad, Steve. Okay, put them here. So Seth's going to cut open eggs, or I'm going to cut open the eggs. He's going to take the yolks and he's going to put them in a bowl.
And then Vitamix them.
No, we're not going to Vitamix them.
Vitamix.
We are going to, I don't know what we're going to do. We're going to kind of wing it. So it's kind of awesome to have a Instapot because we just put the eggs in the Instapot with a cup of water on top of the trivet, and then we put it in there for 5 minutes on manual. But as soon as the 5 minutes is up, you have to actually decompressorize it and depressurize it, and make sure you're careful with that. But these ones, I was on the phone and I let them stay in too long, so hence they're kind of like a brownish color. Not brownish, kind
almost
of beige.
Gold.
They're gold. They're gold.
Almost.
They're a gold color.
Almost. We almost had scrambled eggs.
Why does she do this?
No.
Oh, no, she's got to stay down when we're doing work. Anyway, she, I think every time we start talking to this phone, she comes up and she thinks that
the camera, Mom.
Yeah, the camera. Okay.
Let her get some attention for once, Mom.
Yeah. She gets lots of attention. Okay, so here we go, guys. We're going to make some deviled eggs. We're going to put some cream cheese in there. I know it's backwards, but it's like really awesome cream cheese that we get at Save On Foods, and it's really good cream cheese. So we're just gonna. Oh, that is not good. This one. Okay, I'm also going to get some mayonnaise that I made. If you guys follow me, you know I make my own mayonnaise. Giuseppe? Does Mama make her own mayonnaise? Yep. Here's that. Now put cream cheese in here. So this is what we're going to do. I don't really know what we're going to do yet, but yeah. We're going to do some dancing, that's for sure.
It's called the hype.
Okay, good. There's your bowl. It's always nice to actually put down a tea towel or something because then your bowl doesn't move around.
Okay.
So we're going to put some hydroxybutyrate, the bone broth kind, in. And let me see what we're going to do. Whoa! This stuff is awesome. Instant fuel for your brain. And then we're going to put some cream cheese in there. Can you do that, love? Okay, we got to move this because...
How much?
Put it all in. Okay, we're going to do... This is awesome to have Seth in the kitchen. My boys have always been in the kitchen with me. All my boys are very good cooks. Hey, Seth? Where's that spatula? Oh, there it is. Okay, put the beater things on. The beater things. Put the beater things on. So we stuck some cream cheese in there. stuck some hydroxybutyrate. We're going to stick about 2 tablespoons of my homemade mayonnaise.
I'm going to turn this thing on.
Okay, well, just a minute. Okay.
Can I mix it now?
No. Oh, that's really good. Okay, get in there and mix it, but be very careful. Okay, here we go, guys. Okay, just gently, just on low. Okay, I want you to move back and forth. Don't lift it up because it's going to spray mud. We're going to stick some Dijon mustard in there. Actually, it's not Dijon. It's organic Dijon mustard for salad dressing. It's super awesome. We're going to stick some amazing peri-peri salt that my wonderful 6th son gave me, Russell Pierce, and Ashley, my daughter-in-law. So we're going to put some of that in there.
You guys are just friends.
Oh, she's like family. And then I'm going to stick some, oh, that was not the container. This is blackberry ginger. I was not supposed to put that in there. I grabbed the wrong container. That's okay, keep on going. We're gonna put a bit of olive oil in there. Okay, Seth? We're gonna stick some garlic. I always add extra garlic to everything. And then we're going to get this. Yeah, keep on going around and around. That's it, baby. Okay, careful, don't do that. Super good. That was a quickie. That's an awesome recipe. And the hydroxybutyrate, a bone broth, which I recommend to my clients, especially if you're trying to get off junky carbs.
Like me.
Yeah, junky carbs like Seth.
It's like I never want to.
You know what? I'm going to put a little bit of hot sauce in there too. Sure, sriracha. Yeah, why
I
not?
already put too much wrong.
Actually, Sheila, you could put that nice hot sauce that you got at that fair, which I got to get my hands on some of that. That sounds like a dream.
By the way, I do not like hot sauce.
Really? Hey guys,
I'll
look
be
at
right
this.
back.
Well, come on back here. We gotta fill these. So that's about it, guys.
Is that all?
Oh,
Are we ending?
that is so good.
Are we ending?
Try it.
No, thank you.
No, come on.
Okay.
Mm.
Get out of the picture.
So good.
Get out of the picture. By the way, I'm making these bookmarks and keychains, and we'll leave a link in the description of it. You can pick anyone. So there's a Batman, there's a Calgary Flames, there's a Flames one, there's the Flash one, aka just a lightning bolt, and there's a red one that we got. All hockey tape, so it's really malleable. And yeah, we'll leave a link in the description. You can ask me if you want a small one or a big one like this. So, and that's all. We're leaving a description in the description down below, right there.
Shouldn't they click a notification or something?
Oh yeah, and
Next
make sure to hit that thumbs up until it's blue, and make sure to hit that bell so you get notified for every video that we post.
Yeah.
That's all.
Yeah, we gotta actually load this.
You ruined
Oh,
my
look,
texture.
it's Lindsay Williams. Oh well. So basically,
all.
hi Lindsay.
Bye.
Hey, say goodbye nicely.
Wait. Oh yeah.
Kids in the kitchen. I know I'm licking my spoon. I'm double dipping. It's my kitchen. My kitchen, my way.
Bye.
Oh, look. Anyway, so this is Deviled Eggs Keto Style. Like I said before, I'm using the hydroxybutyrate that I get from Prove It. And yeah, go back and watch the video for the recipe. I kind of just winged it. So this is the French onion soup, bone broth. If you're interested in signing up or getting some of this product, which is an amazing product, hit me up in the DM. What the DM? I don't know what the DM. What does DM stand for?
Don't ask me. I'm not a freak about this.
Don't ask me. That's what it stands for. Anyway.
Don't ask me.
Don't ask me. Oh. So then you take your eggs and you just fill it up with your beautiful deviled egg stuff. Uh-oh, he's got a tip for us.
Here's a tip of how to talk to me. Please don't.
Oh, yeah. That's quite snatchy. Is he a teenager? Like, is my kid a teenager already? I've got enough of those guys. I don't need any more. Yeah, so hope you guys are having a good day. Today is Friday, so I think it's going to be a fun weekend. I'm really excited. These deviled eggs you are going to want to make. They're so keto, primal, super easy for my husband to take to work if he needs a little snack. And full of, hey, oh, thank you, Lindsay. Yeah, cute, we're kind of cute. Oh my gosh, he's too cute. This stuff you would want to put on also, okay, so let's say I've got my deviled eggs, and then I probably would sprinkle them with some paprika, so they actually look really pretty, but also another thing to do, is you could take the extra deviled egg stuff and you can make little appetizers with cucumbers. OMG. Super good. Okay, that's my lunch. It's cucumbers with deviled egg insides or whipped stuff. So that's what I'm going to be having for lunch. So there you go. Get your deviled eggs on. And if you guys are interested in finding out more about hydroxybutyrate, hit me up. I'll give you some information that you might need. Sign you up. What's nice about Prove It is they have so much scientific proof of what it does to your body and how good it is for you. Also, they come in these convenient packs, so you can also buy hydroxybutyrate in different flavors and put it in your cup at work, and then you can shake it up with some ice in the shaker, and you can actually sustain good energy throughout the day. Nose is running. John uses it when he's up north because he doesn't have a lot of time to go have something to eat, so he'll do some hydroxybutyrate in the afternoon, and it fuels his brain. And it keeps them off eating junky carbs because you can't even buy a bar nowadays that actually can fuel you without having tons of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are not good for you. Too many anyway. Okay. Love you guys. I hope you're having a good Friday. I'm going to sit down and have my lunch. Some kombucha. Work on some client menus. If you want, sign up for my private Facebook group, Lorna's Primal Keto Kitchen. And hopefully I'll be doing more videos there and letting you guys know how I run my life and my lifestyle. Okay, that's it. Deviled eggs, keto style. Couple different tips for you guys. Here we go. Okay, you're gonna come close. Really close. Okay, love you guys. Have a good day.